A Mandarin-speaking man is on a business trip. He is speaking with a receptionist to book a room at the hotel.
The dialogue begins now.
Greetings and welcome to Mirage Hotel. How may I assist you today?
您好，我想问一下您这儿还有没有空房？
May I inquire if you have made a reservation?
我没来得及预定，我老板给我订了房，但是他们安排今晚召开紧急会议，所以我就过来了。那您这儿还有房吗？
Yes, we do have availability, but the hotel is quite busy at the moment. There has been a significant international conference taking place over the past few days.
这样哦，难怪我之前找不到任何空房。我是一个人住，而且也不是很挑剔，所以你们能提供的任何房我都可以凑合着住。
Don't settle for less. When you travel, travel in comfort. How about a suite on the third floor? You can relax indoors and conduct meetings or socialize outdoors.
听起来还不错，但是价格怎样呢？住一晚多少钱？
It's quite affordable, priced at only $250 per night. If you take a moment to see it now, you'll realize its quality. It resembles a presidential suite in appearance.
天哪，这并不是我第一次在澳大利亚住酒店。我过去6个月都在澳大利亚各地出差。请原谅我说话说得直，但是我知道我肯定被你宰了。
There's a standard room located by the corner of the first floor staircase. It's inexpensive, priced at just $120 per day. You're really lucky, the conference rented the entire first floor and left only this room.
为什么这个房间没有被占用？
No particular reason. They were simply being overly critical and didn't appreciate the bathroom located across the hallway. They mentioned it being too smelly. Personally, I don't see the issue. If you close the door, how could you possibly smell anything?
好吧，我不太想要一间别人嫌弃过的房间。你们这儿还有其他空房吗？
Let me search again for you. Ah, you're in luck. There's another room available on the top floor for $145.
好的，就要这间了，谢谢。
End of dialogue.